For today's DIY, I'm going to be starting off with crates, and I'm going to be using 2 crates for this DIY. I took these 2 crates out and I spray painted them silver. When they were dry, I took them in, and then I covered some of the sides with wooden pieces. This DIY is for a bench, so when I'm done adding the wood to this other side for this crate, I'm gonna hold all 2 crates together with a larger piece of wood. I'll be covering up the edges with bling wrap. I'm going to go ahead and use placemats to decorate the bench with it. These placemats were gotten from Walmart, and I'm going to be using this the way it is and attaching it to the sides of the bench using a hot glue gun and a staple gun. Now that it's time for me to work on the front, I'm going to make sure that I have all the placemats cut in such a way that when you see it from afar, you won't know they're placemats. And I'll achieve this by cutting off the sides with a pair of scissors. I'll have the placemats arranged in such a way that the patterns will meet with one another to make it look like it's one piece. There are table runners out there that are long enough, but they're not wide enough. So I figured to just use these ones since I have them already and just cut the sides and then join them up together. And I will be having these attached to the wood with glue and a staple gun. When I was done, I cut off the excess. For the top, I'm going to be starting off with wood and 2 inches foam glued together. I'll make marks on the foam that's 7 inches away. And after the first set of marks, I'm just gonna eyeball the remaining marks that I'll have on the foam. And when I'm done, I'm gonna be making holes on these points with a pair of scissors. I'll be using a leftover drapery that I used most of it in a friend's place. So because I have the drapery up on her window, I'll like to make a bench that's gonna go with that. So all I'm gonna be doing now is locating where the points are and using a staple gun and stapling it down. When I was done, I cut out the excess fabric and covered up everything neatly. I'll be hiding the staple pins with crystal buttons. This is gonna go on top of the base that I had made earlier, and this bench has extra storage at the back. I did not attach the top to the crates just yet because I want to try out another fabric, but then you can definitely attach yours to the crates using corner braces. I decided to add mirrors to the sides of the bench just to make it look like the trendy look of chairs having mirrors on them. And the mirrors are safe because the edges are not sharp. You can have the finishing of the bench with or without the mirrors. It's all up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.